drawing a small airplane with a black marker today. Start by drawing a large oval. Then draw the wings. It's like a little fan. Go ahead and draw the tail of the little airplane. Tail light. Let's draw the other wing of the airplane. A row of lights. Draw the lights on the side as well. Stripes. And finally, we'll draw the big windows of the airplane. Small stripes on the tail of the airplane. Aircraft flying on white clouds. Now the simple diagram is complete. Let's start stroking and bolding. Woo! Great! Let's get some color. Rose. Yellow. Orange. Green. Mauve. Pink green. Pale yellow. Yellowish green. Green. Orange. Rose. Light purple. Big red. Yellow. Sky blue. Our work is done. It's beautiful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.